Hello, my darlings. I am Travel Cruise Jelly the Monkey, and welcome to my Arvia vlog. P&O's Arvia is the biggest ship in their fleet, built by 3,000 Irishmen, along with sister ships the Olympic and the Britannic, at the Harland and Wolff shipbuilding yards in Belfast. She left Southampton in 1912 and unfortunately sank after striking... hang on a minute. I'm getting my ship notes mixed up. All right, don't hate me. Back to Arvia. She has 30 bars and restaurants, 8 entertainment venues, 4 swimming pools and 15 guest decks. On the Mediterranean cruise that I was on, there was a population of 16.5 million, being looked after by about 100 staff. P&O did advise that in order to avoid disappointment, they recommend booking early for things like shows and the virtual queuing for restaurants, preferably before April 1965. Don't say I haven't told you, my darlings. Good morning from the Keys. And there's some lovely people, fellow cruisers over there. Wave, hello. Nom nom nom. I'm always finding people on the cruise ship that come. Don't forget to come and say hello to me. It's the Keys for breakfast. It's all included in your cruise fare. Nom 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 nom. All included in your cruise fare, darling. Altitude golf. It is high AF. Right, my darlings. Hole in one coming up.
Everyone's waiting. Oh, good shot.
I'm on the green, my darlings. I'm on the green. Hello. Hello, Papa. Hello, Papa. Come and see Papa. Altitude sky. Golf. Mama.
You want to go to Wapping?
Champion, my darlings. Eagle on the first, albatross on the second, and monkey on the third. Oh, my darlings, that is another exhausting day on the P&O Arvia. And I'm going to say good night now. And to you, my darlings, and I love you. I love you. I love you. You. Not so much you and you. And you at the back, I don't like, but you, I love. Night, night, my darlings. Sleepy bye-bye. Night, Mafu. Night, Mafu. Night, Mafu. Good night. Hello, my darlings. Don't forget, if you see me on a cruise ship, don't forget to come up to say hello, like these two lovely people here. What's your name, my darling? You're a fan of my vlogs?
What is it? Just say.
Ice latte, bum 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 bada bum bum. Ice latte, bum 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 bada bum. Hello, my darlings. Hello. I've met. If you see me on a cruise ship, just make sure you come up and say hello.
Hello.
Hello. This is a lovely lady I've met who follows my vlogs. What's your name? Cut. Right, my darlings. I get a lot of questions coming in on my channel about the toilet and the shower in the cabin. Well, let's go and have a look. And here is the shower, my darlings. Look, I reckon you could get about 50 monkeys in there. And the toilet. Now, people ask me, oh, Jelly, what are the toilets like on the cruise ship? Well, there's the toilet. And the thing about the toilet is it doesn't sort of flush. It sucks. Let's try it out. And this is the button you press to flush the toilet. And it's 1 cheek, 2 cheek, rah, rah, rah. And remember, my darlings, do not flush the toilet whilst you're sitting on it. Oh, my darlings, well, I'm just back from being rescued from the toilets, the sewage system down there. Oh, the things that I've smelt. I didn't even know chicken vindaloo was sold on this ship. What is wrong with you people? And do you know what? They said to me if I wanted to go and see a vet, and then they said that there wasn't even one on board. Shame on you, P&O. They did ask if I wanted to see the doctor, but that would cost me £120. Shame on you again, P&O. Not a huge fan of puppet shows, darlings, but Basil Brush is currently appearing on Arvia. No, Mum, I can sell theatres out more than him. All included in your cruise fare.
So hefty.
If you see me on the ships, come and say hello. Hello, my darlings, back at the cabin now after another day on Arvia. Now, P&O only allow you to have 1 litre of alcohol, which you can bring on at smelly old Southampton. But I was in La Coruña and I managed to get a nice bottle of gin into my suitcase and managed to get it onto the ship. I'm going to try a bit of the gin now to see what it's like. Let's have a little sip. That is strong AF. Nom, 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 nom. Now I know what you're saying. Oh, Jelly, why don't you just get a bottle of gin from room service? Why do you have to smuggle your own gin onto the ship? Well, I say it's 4 times the price. And I managed to get it onto this ship. So I'm going to say, thank you, La Coruña Security. And anybody that doesn't like it, it's my holiday. I can do as I like. Come for me, haters. Come for me, haters. Right, my darlings. There's lots and lots of films that you can choose from in your cabin, all included in the cruise fare. What should I watch tonight? No. Oh, that looks good, my darlings. Oh, just please be advised that P&O no longer do the turn down service, do they, Mafu Duck? So what I do is do my own turn down service, which I think is much, much better. Isn't that good, my darlings? Bafu, my duck. Oh, he's gone all grumpy. Panorama pool and bar. Let's go and get a drink. There's people over there that I recognise. There's season cruisers here. Let's go and speak to this lovely. Now, this is the lovely lady I met earlier.
Hello, Jelly.
Hello, you're a fan of my vlogs, aren't you?
I am very much so, yeah.
How long have you been cruising, my darling?
This is my first cruise.
Your first cruise? Oh, I love it. I'm a seasoned cruise monkey.
Oh, are you?
So how are you finding this ship?
It's very nice, thank you.
Very nice. There's not enough monkeys on this, not on this ship. It's just me.
No, you need a friend.
I need a friend. Well, Mafu the duck was here earlier, but he's very grumpy. He's gone off.
Oh,
Well, have a lovely time, my darling.
Okay.
Hello, darlings. Have a nice cruise. It is windy AF. Lots of hot tubs on deck. Please remember to comply with all rules. Nothing about monkeys, darling. Let's go. Hello, darlings. It's the hot tub in deck 8. Hello. Oh, it's warm in there, isn't it? It's lovely warm in there. It is as windy. No bubbles working. Scanning across the horizons. What can we see? There's a big ship there, aren't there? And you can dangle your feet. Oh. Hi guys! Hope you're having a lovely cruise! Hot tub's nice and hot. And don't forget, my darlings, you can always find a sunbed in the shade. Hello, my darlings! We're just coming up to Gibraltar. As you can see on our map, there's a lot of cheap monkeys at Gibraltar. Oh, my darlings, another day done as we sail through the Strait of Gibraltar. Well, I need a good night's sleep before we go to Cadiz tomorrow, so I need my pillow spray. Psst, psst, psst. Psst, psst, psst. Night night, my darlings. Did you get it, my darlings? Nom 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 nom. Horizon buffet, my darlings. And we're in Cadiz. Now we have had a good time in Cadiz. We've had lots of drink. We've been drinking the drinks. We've been walking the walks. And now we've got nom nom nom. Sunset bar, ladies and gentlemen. It's beautiful here with the hot tub.
And creature.
And just escaped from the kitchen. Nom nom nom. On the casino, darlings. Stick a monkey on that, darlings. Oh, it does make a change to be outside of the cage for once. Let's wave at the monkeys playing golf. Enter the Bay of Biscay on our way back to smelly old Southampton.
In the ocean traffic lanes of the Northwest Coast
El
of France
Capitan.
on schedule between 4:30 and 5:30 this afternoon. and this marks our entrance into the English Channel, where we have maintained a northeasterly course towards the Isle of Wight. As for arrival, we are planning to board the Southampton Pilot east of the Isle of Wight by Nab Tower around 3:15 early tomorrow morning, before commencing our 27-mile run up to our berth at the Ocean Cruise Terminal, and we expect to be alongside by around 6:15. As for the weather, well, as forecast, with the strong headwinds reducing and moving around to the west, the swells remaining at around 2 metres and some sunny skies, which have been welcomed. The latest forecast shows that as we continue up the channel this evening, the winds will remain from the west at around 15 to 20 knots, and the swells will then die away.
Ah, here we are, back at smelly old Southampton. There they go, restocking for the next cruise. Make sure you stock up on bananas, my darlings. There's none on this ship. Where's the bananas, my darlings? Oh, careful with my neck. Oh, that's the end of another cruise. Bye-bye, Arvia. She's a big girl, Arvia. And don't forget, monkeys travel free with P&O. Thank you, P&O. And there we go, my darlings. Thank you, P&O, for the monkeys. And a big shout out to all my Patreons. Thank you so much for your support.